Hey there everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to talk to you about how we can use Slack in a really effective and easy way. For me, Slack is an amazing platform for your teams, for chatting with your colleagues, and it's like really cool, but also it's really easy, so I will try to make this video really quick, okay? So let's start. First, when you're in your dashboard and you see everything, first you get the channels here. You can create channel, or if you have owner, you can create them. If you're just a teammate, you can't. Then you got direct messages. Direct messages are for when you have your teammates here, when you have like colleagues here, that you can write them. And then you can recent apps if you have added apps to your Slack account. So these are just the basics. First, really easy, you just message here. If you could just choose channel, also quite simple. But then comes the tricky part, right? When you go here, you can go to customize Slack and administration, and I'm going to show you everything. When I go to customize Slack and administration, manage members and workspace settings, I'm going to open everything, all right? So first, customize your workspace. You can add emojis. Then you can add Slack bot. So let's say when someone says Facebook, the Slack bot responds Instagram. Quite simple, right? I mean, like, what else should you learn here? Then you get the workspace icon, and you can just change the logo of your workspace. And then you get statuses that, let's say that you are in a meeting, commuting, whatever, and you can change the emoji. You can create your own status and channel prefixes, right? No one really uses these. Then you get workspace admin, and this is where you can manage your members. Again, when you click here, you go administration and manage members. When you're here, really easy, you can invite people, you can change account type, or you can deactivate account. If you are owner, if you're primary owner, you can change the, let's say, the account type of your members, of your colleagues, or even employees, or you can just delete them from your workspace, and then you can invite people here. Then you got admin settings, and these are that I don't really think that I need to talk to you a lot about. That you can delete the workspace, you can change the URL of the workspace, you can change the name display, email display, default channels. Default channels means that when you add a new person to your workspace and someone wants to, yeah, I'm going to put my microphone right here, and someone wants to join your workspace, you invite him, and then he will be automatically added to those two channels. So, and then you got apps that you can insert to your, like, Outlook, Poly, I don't know, Google Drive, etc. You know the deal, you know the drill. Now you can also do things like this. When you're gonna create a channel, let's say that I'm going to finance, what you can do is you can add specific people, quite simple. But then when you go to settings, let's go with the additional options. You can change it to private if you want, or you can also rename and set the channel description. And these things are really easy, really simple. So that's kind of it. I mean, what else should I even show you? Because like Slack is really easy. They made it really simple, and plenty of like companies are using it. So yeah, this is how you use Slack. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any question, just ask and I will try to help you. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.